guys, and welcome to another vlog. So today is a special day because I am taking my mom out to buy her a birthday gift. Her birthday is not till 2 weeks later, but with the number of cases rising in Thane right now, I really don't know when things are going to shut down, which is why I thought, you know what, I'll just take her out, let her pick her gift, and I'm super excited about this. Like, I think ever since I was younger, when I was a teenager, you know, my parents have really tried their best to do everything in their power to make me happy. You know, they used to take me shopping, and like now when I look back, I just think about how they kept their needs aside just to fulfill my wants, not even my needs. And I have since then been a bit more sensible with money, and it's time to give back. I really want to. This is something that I've genuinely wanted to do for the longest time. I generally like gifting people things, so this, like, seeing the joy on someone else's face because of you is something that I love. I just absolutely love it, which is why I'm taking her out to buy jewelry because she loves jewelry. I told her that, you know, of course I could have surprised her, but when it comes to jewelry and gold, I don't know enough about it, and I don't know enough about her taste in jewelry, which is why I said, you know what, hey, listen, like, you want to go buy a sari, or you want to buy gold, or what is it that you want? So she said jewelry, I want to get gold. So I said okay, and I'm taking her out, and I just thought it would be fun to document this because at some point in my life I want to look back and remember the time that I was able to gift my mom something for the very first time with my own money. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and stay tuned for more educational videos as well as fun vlogs like this. So I'm wearing this full-sleeved ribbed material. Okay, this is what it looks like. Top, because I feel like it fits so beautifully. I just love this, and plus we are going to a mall nearby, so I don't feel the need to dress up a lot. Anyway, I'm wearing these high-waisted jeans that I got from H&M. It's fatte hue jeans, which my parents are absolutely thrilled about. But I love them, and obviously I'm not wearing these chappal. These are my ghar ke chappal. So yeah, this is the outfit. Alright guys, so we are about to leave now, and I quickly just, you know, did my makeup. Very basic, very minimal. All I did was I put serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, and then I've put tint on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my lips. It's the Benny Tint by Benefit. I absolutely love it. I feel like it just adds, you know, this, what do you call it, like, it just makes you look so fresh. And I did my brows, and I put on some mascara, and that's it. That's all I'm doing for today. And yeah, now let's go. It's 9 p.m. now, and we went to Bandra for a bit. I actually went to eat ice cream, but the ice cream place was shut. And then we ended up going to Arbab, which is great for Lebanese food. Had some great food there, and then driving back was a pain. Like, Bandra to Thane it takes me like 1.5 to 2 hours every time because of the traffic on Eastern Express Highway, thanks to all the construction that's going on in Bombay all the time. Anyway, we made it back home. We made the purchase. She's going to start using the earrings only on her birthday. That is about 10 days from now. So I was thinking I'll just continue this vlog then. Alright, so see you all on 7th of April. Hi everyone, so today is the 7th of April and it is my mom's birthday. So Mika and I are going to go get some food. The menu for the day is Desi. So we are going to Northern Tadka. I'm going to pick up some paneer butter masala, butter chicken, naan, all that basic shit. So the plan is, because the number of cases in Bombay and Thane are rising like crazy, we can't go out and dine. That was the original plan. So we're just going to get some food home. So yeah, let's go to Northern Turk.
Stop it. Get some help.
हाय गाइस, तो हमारा कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे जाके.
So the entire mall is closed till the 30th and even the restaurants aren't open. We thought the restaurants would be open but nahi hai. So what we've done is we've placed an order on Copper Chimney online and we're going to go pick up some naan and roti from a restaurant nearby. So yeah, that's that.
साइड लाइफ.
Happy birthday, dear Ai. Happy birthday to you.
Six and a half hours later.
Happy birthday. Yay! Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Hi guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. I just finished my workout, took a shower, and now some of our friends have come with Pani Puri. Hi guys, okay, so at the end of the day we just had some pani puri and we were just spending a lot of time relaxing. So this is going to be the end of the vlog, but before I close it, there is something very special, so stick on till the end of this video. My mom had something that she wanted to say and it's going to be in Marathi, so if you don't understand Marathi, I'm very sorry for that, but it's a very beautiful poem that she wanted to recite. So yeah, let's just transition into that now.
काल श्रावणीने माझा वाढदिवस खूप छान साजरा केला. त्यावेळी वासंती भावेंची कुठेतरी ऐकलेली ही कविता मला आठवते. अशी कशी लेक देवा माझ्या पोटी येते, अशी कशी लेक देवा माझ्या पोटी येते, नावसुद्धा माझं ती इथेच ठेवून जाते. पहिला घास देवा ती माझ्याकडून खाते, माझाच हात धरून ती पहिलं पाऊल टाकते, माझ्याकडूनच ती पहिलं अक्षर शिकते. तिच्यासाठी सुद्धा मी रात्र रात्र जागते, कुशीत माझ्या झोपण्यासाठी गाल फुगवून बसते. मी आणलेला फ्रॉक घालून घरभर नाचते, अशी कशी लेक देवा माझ्या पोटी येते, असे कसे वेगळे हे तिचे माझे नाते. एक दिवस अचानक ती मोठी होऊन जाते, एक दिवस अचानक ती मोठी होऊन जाते. आई तू दमलीस का गं, हळूच मला विचारते. माझ्यासाठी कपडे, केक, सोन्याचे कानातले घेऊन येते. नव्या जगातील नवीन गोष्टी मलाच ती शिकवते. तिच्या दूर जाण्याने कातर मी होते, हळूच हसून ती मला कुशीत घेऊन बसते. कळत नाही देवा मला, कळत नाही देवा मला, असे कसे होते. कधी जागा बदलून ती माझीच आई होते.